Welcome students. In this video, we are going to discuss about the meaning and various essential elements of delegation. First, we will discuss about the meaning of delegation. Delegation is a process of transferring authority from superior to subordinate. Delegation is a process in organization in which there is a transferring of authority from superior to subordinate. You know that there is a superior subordinate relationship in the organization. The superior provides commands, gives instruction to the subordinates so that they can perform the job effectively and efficiently. So when the superior transfer the authority to the subordinates, this type of process is known as delegation. We can say that in delegation there is a transmitting of authority from the superior to subordinate. So once the authority is delegated, once the authority is transferring from superior to subordinate, this type of process is known as delegation. It is an administration process of getting things done by others, delegating them authority and responsibility. Delegation is an administration process in which there is a getting things done by others by delegating them authority and responsibility. We know that the chief executives assign the work to departmental managers who in turn delegate the authority to subordinates for getting a particular work done. We know that in our organization there is a chief executive who assign the work to subordinates, we can say who assign the work to departmental managers, then departmental managers in turn delegates the authority to the subordinates. Why? For getting a particular work done. Got it? डिपार्टमेंटल मैनेजर जो हमारे चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं वो असाइन काम किनको करते हैं? डिपार्टमेंटल मैनेजर्स को. तो डिपार्टमेंटल मैनेजर्स फिर डेलीगेट अथॉरिटी करते हैं किनको? सबऑर्डिनेट्स को. तो एक प्रोसेस बन जाती है किसमें? ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ अथॉरिटी फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन. दिस टाइप ऑफ वी कैन से प्रोसेस इज नोन एज delegation. The process goes to the level while actual work is executed. The person who is made responsible for a particular job is given a authority for getting it done. यानी वो पर्सन जो किसी काम के लिए, जो किसी पर्टिकुलर के जॉब के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा, उसको अथॉरिटी भी दी जाती है ताकि वो इस काम को प्रॉपरली परफॉर्म कर सके. गॉट इट? तो डेलीगेशन इज दैट टाइप ऑफ प्रोसेस in which there is a transmitting or transferring of authority from superior to subordinates. It is an administration process of getting things done by others, delegating them authority and responsibility. And we know that in our organization there is a chief executives who assign their work to the departmental managers, and then departmental managers delegate some authority to the subordinates for getting a particular work done. The person who is responsible, who is made responsible for a particular job is given a proper authority and responsibility for getting it done. So we can, in other words, we can say delegation of authority means granting authority to subordinates to operate within the prescribed limits. यानी delegation of authority का मतलब होता है granting of authority to subordinates to operate within the prescribed limits. Delegation is that type of process in which there is a granting of authority to subordinates so that the work, so that the operation, so that the work will be performed within the prescribed limits. Got it? Now we are going towards the essential. We are going towards the essential elements of delegation. Elements of delegation. There are three elements of delegation. The first one is authority, the second one is responsibility, and the third one is accountability. Remember this point. In the delegation process there are three elements, namely authority, responsibility and accountability. The first one is authority. You know that authority is a right of an individual to command his subordinates. Authority is a we can say right to take a decision to command their subordinates. It is a right to take a decision within the limits of his position. Authority refers the right of individual to command his subordinates and try to take decisions within the limits of his position. And you know that the authority flows from top to bottom. Authority जो होती है it flows from top to bottom. यानी there we can say the chief executives providing the delegating the authority to managers, and then managers provides the authority to deputy managers. तो ये क्या होती है, अथॉरिटी जो होती है इट फ्लोज फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, यानी फ्रॉम सुपीरियर टू सबऑर्डिनेट. अथॉरिटी शुड बी डेलीगेटेड विद इन इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तो वन इज द अथॉरिटी इज डेलीगेटेड टू द एम्प्लॉइज, the employees also should be given to some responsibility, equal responsibility. Got it? So authority means a right of an individual to command his subordinates to take a decision, to make a plan within the limits of his position. And you know that authority flows from top to bottom. That means it flows from superior to his subordinates. But you know that the delegation of authority flows from top to bottom. It is not from bottom to top, it is from top to bottom. The second element is responsibility. Responsibility is the obligation of subordinate. It is the obligation of subordinate to perform the assigned job properly. It is the obligation of a subordinate to perform the assigned job properly is known as responsibility. Responsibility क्या है? ये एक obligation है किसकी? Subordinates की. क्यों? टू परफॉर्म द असाइन्ड जॉब प्रॉपरली इज नोन एज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. जब किसी बंदे को कोई जॉब असाइन की जाती है, उस जॉब को परफॉर्म करना वो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती है किसकी? एम्प्लॉय की. गॉट इट? तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज ए ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट्स टू परफॉर्म ए असाइन्ड जॉब प्रॉपरली, इफेक्टिवली एंड एफिशिएंटली. इट ऑलवेज फ्लोज अपवर्ड्स. Responsibility flows upwards. A responsibility without authority leads dissatisfaction in a person. यानी अगर किसी बंदे को हम responsibility देंगे but there is a lack of authority, it means it leads to dissatisfaction in a person. Got it? So responsibility and authority should be given in equal amount. One is the person is given authority, he should be given some extent of responsibility. Both should be given in a proper balance. अभी मैंने बोला है आपको, if the responsibility is granted to the employees without authority, there is a result. The result is dissatisfaction in a person. If more authority is granted, it could get misused, and if more responsibility is given, it may make a person ineffective. न ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देनी चाहिए, न ज़्यादा अथॉरिटी देनी चाहिए. देयर शुड बी इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अथॉरिटी. गॉट इट? इससे क्या होता है, न एम्प्लॉय डिससेटिस्फाई हो जाएंगे, न एम्प्लॉयज़ अपने अथॉरिटी को मिसयूज़ कर पाएंगे. गॉट इट? तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विदाउट अथॉरिटी लीड डिससेटिस्फैक्शन इन ए पर्सन. इफ मोर अथॉरिटी इज ग्रांटेड, इट कुड गेट मिसयूज्ड, एंड इफ मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज गिवन, इट मे मेक ए पर्सन इनइफेक्टिव. The third element is accountability. Accountability means being answerable for a final result. Accountability means being answerable for final result. It is the obligation to carry responsibility and to give reports about one's performance to the superior. Accountability can't be delegated. यानी accountability means answerable for the final results. You know that you have given some responsibilities, you have given some jobs to be performed in the organization. तो इस जॉब को परफॉर्म करने के लिए आपको आंसर देना पड़ेगा, क्या ये जॉब आपने किया कि नहीं. you are answerable. Once you are answerable, it means you have accountable. Accountability means being answerable for the final result. It is the obligation to carry responsibility. यानी आपको कोई responsibility दी गई है, उसको कैरी करना, उसको चलाना, वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी बन जाती है. क्या इस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को आपने फुलफिल किया है? क्या इस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को आपने परफॉर्म किया है? गॉट इट? आपको कोई असाइन्ड जॉब दिया गया है, आपको कोई जॉब दी गई है, इस जॉब को करने के लिए आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दी जाती है, आपको गाइडेंस दी जाती है, आपको कमांड्स दी जाती है, गॉट इट। और आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू कंप्लीटेड दिस टास्क, अब आप आंसरेबल बन जाते हो टुवर्ड्स द हायर अथॉरिटीज़। तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी वही होती है। अकाउंटेबिलिटी मीन्स बीइंग आंसरेबल फॉर द फाइनल रिजल्ट्स। It is an obligation to carry out responsibility and to give reports about one's performance to the superior. You have a superior, you know that आपको superior है और superior को आपको जवाब देना है जो काम आपको superior ने दिया है, क्या वो आपने परफॉर्म किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लान्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू पॉलिसीज, वो रिपोर्ट आपको अपने superior को देना होगा। अकाउंटेबिलिटी कांट बी डेलीगेट नहीं की जाती है। इट इज़ ऑलरेडी arises when you have given some authority and responsibility. Once you have given some authority and responsibility, accountability is there. You are accountable, you are answerable for your final results. Once you have given some you have assigned some tasks, you should perform the task. After completing the work, you have to report it to your superior. Got it? So authority can be delegated by the superior to subordinate, but accountability cannot be delegated. Even a superior delegates authority to the subordinates, he continues to be accountable to his own superior. So these are the elements. The first one is authority, then responsibility, and then accountability. Got it?